Ultimate X Gold. Weird game today. Double bonus. Oh, look at this. We got all these maxed out multipliers here. So
chasing multipliers. We're chasing multipliers.
yeah, before we start, thanks to our partner on the videos,
Casino.org. Check them out for the latest in casino news, reviews, and strategies.
So quite simple here, Dad. You just got to get dealt each of those four of a kinds.
Is the sound all the way up?
No, I don't think it is. Nothing.
Wow, 0 for 10. My goodness, how did that happen? Usually I wait a while before I do that.
You're right. Normally you do.
I guess I just wanted to jump right into it today.
You know, ideally, Dad, what you want is you want to get dealt some winning hands.
Oh, like that?
Okay.
We're out of here.
Well, it wasn't dealt.
Right?
All right, yeah, I think since we didn't get any other multipliers, I say we hit and run. We'll be back. All right, we've moved to 5-star poker. High limit Ultimate X. $2 denomination. We just gotta win, Dad.
We do. That's usually the object of the game.
Is it? I had not realized. Ooh, okay.
That was out of nowhere.
That was 10x. What can you do with it? Nothing.
You push that, turn it into a winner. Well, we both.
Where was that on the 10x?
We both had our chance, but it didn't work out.
We're playing regular bonus poker right now, which is actually my choice. Because at this high of a denomination, the even money on the two pair, well, I guess on Ultimate X, it's lose half your money on the two pair. Oh, there you go, 400 bucks. Look at you go. Is brutal. So I actually don't mind the bonus poker at this high level of play. $10. Did that count as 3 10s since you had 10, 10, 5, 5?
Sure, why not?
Gotta go 3 to the flush. I hate doing it on single line, but it's the right play. Look at you go. Another 60 bucks there. Get a full house for 12x, would you? No, but you got 80 bucks there.
I was expecting better from myself.
I'm always expecting better from you, Dad.
Thank you. I strive to do that.
You're like me. You strive for perfection in all facets of your life.
Filling in these hands here. This is great. Very un-Steve-like.
Yeah, there you go. That's more. There's the Steve we all know and love.
Back to un-Steve-like. When I fill in this royal flush, then you'll really be happy. What happened? I didn't win. I got spoiled.
4, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You sure you want to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7?
I mean, either way, you need a 5, so.
You do. Let me get you a 5 right here. Oh, what happened?
Dad, I got news for you. That wasn't a 5.
I was close. All right, you can take over now. Let's see what you can do.
Uh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4.
Nice one.
You think I can fill in that flush, Dad?
Yeah, nice.
Oh my God, I did it. I filled it
Now
in.
you got to do something. Straight flush? How much would that pay?
2,500, so that would be $5,000.
All right, do that.
I would have settled for a regular
I
flush.
would have sold for a high pair.
Like that.
Back to me. You gave up already?
Yeah, I did.
I'll show you how it's done.
There you go.
Come on, give us 2 more 10s, please.
Well, you got one more 10. You got 2 5s again. It's $200.
Wow, that was a nice one. Now, if I get the queen right here, you're going to say, oh, well, we probably should have gone.
Oh, wait. Oh, it is a 3x. No, you're right. With the 3x, you're supposed to. Oh, sorry, I didn't even. Thank you for pointing that out.
My pleasure. Inside straight. Deuce is wild, I would have had. Ooh, one away. Uh-oh. Seems to be going the wrong way.
55. There you go.
That's more like that. Inside straight.
No, it's
inside straight flush.
4x. It's the regular strategy. Double inside straight flush. Oh.
Would have had it. What do you like here?
Nothing.
I was afraid you were going to say that. All right, you take over.
I think I'll take over,
Lost
Dad.
my mojo. Inside straight.
Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How about a deuce?
That'll work too.
How about a 2 pair times 7? Give me that full house. Still $140. So.
Nice one. There you go. Nice. Now, wait.
Teamwork. We both
Teamwork.
hit the button. Oh, another $140.
Turn it into a winner. Nice.
Turn it into a loser. All right, you can take over.
Exactly.
I think we can cash out if we get to 10 minutes, can't we?
Yeah.
Based on our take the money and run principle.
Well, it's 9 minutes because we have the minute earlier when you hit your monster in a minute flat. Eye of the tiger, Dad. Come on.
Right, here, you take it. Teamwork. Well, teamwork makes the dream work, except it's kind of tough if you don't get any winning hand.
Right color, wrong suit. 4-4. Oh, jeez.
Wow. Try spell. There you go. Now we're back to our winning ways. Do it.
Nothing there, right?
You go for 3 card flushes.
Not with a 3x multiplier.
If you did not have the 3x, you would have gone for a 3 card flush.
Correct.
Alright, keep going. Keep going. Royal flush.
Oh!
Still good. Nice.
$150.
Away from us, flush. Alright, you ready to jump back?
Because I've got the eye of the tiger, Dad.
Is that what it is? I got 5s.
You did get 5s.
Focus king.
And if you're not familiar with what we're talking about with these multipliers, when you're playing Ultimate X, your strategy changes based on your average multiplier, which on a single line Ultimate X game, very easy to figure out your average multiplier. And we have the strategy on our website for free if you want to learn how to adjust your strategy properly for Ultimate X at thejackpotgents.com. So make sure you go check that out. Oh, I did
my
it again.
boy.
Now I got you the multiplier. You get the winner. Oh, $200. That's it. Play till we lose. All right.
Did we lose?
Not yet. Oh, no, we didn't.
Oh, another winner.
All right, there we go. What the hell happened, Dad? That's 2 winning videos in a row.
I don't know. Maybe we're turning it all around now.
$975 winners.
Very nice.
One last time, thanks to our partner on the videos.
Casino.org. Check them out for the latest in casino news, reviews, and strategies.